Probo Medical is your complete source for diagnostic imaging parts. Covering nearly every modality, we have thousands of parts in stock ready for same-day shipping from our ISO 13485 certified facilities located in the US, UK, and Europe. Our inventory is continually updated as we spend millions harvesting and acquiring new and refurbished parts for imaging and biomedical replacement parts. Our biomedical replacement parts include instruments, accessories, lamps, monitoring, oxygen sensors, power protection, and much more. Our diagnostic imaging parts include CT, MRI, ultrasound, nuclear medicine, C-arm, X-ray, BMD, PET and PET-CT, and flexible and rigid endoscopes. Our unique approach makes you more efficient, ensuring you get a fully tested, guaranteed part on time and on budget. With all this to offer, why go anywhere else? In-house harvesting, guaranteed parts, ISO 13485 facilities. Probo Medical. Image smarter.